Hey there creators, ever dreamt of making awesome videos without the hassle of cameras or actors? Well, with Wondershare Virbo, your dreams just got a whole lot closer. What is Virbo? Virbo is a free and super easy to use AI video generator. You just type in your script, pick an AI avatar, and Virbo brings your words to life with realistic animations and voiceovers. It's perfect for YouTube videos, social media posts, marketing campaigns, presentations, and so much more. Let's show you how to make a video AI avatar with the help of simple text from Wondershare Virbo. Go to Wondershare Virbo website, log into your desired account. Once you sign in, you can simply go here to see what are the key features and how the Virbo works. But I'm going to show you live today how to generate an AI video online. Click on Generate AI Video Online. This is how your dashboard looks like. Once you sign into your account, it's going to ask you a few simple questions. Then you select what you really want to do. I want to create social media content. There you have it. You're logged into your account. Now, here you can check out. You get 2 minutes of free version. You can log in from your multiple accounts to extract as many videos as you can. Now, to start creating the video, click here on Create Video. I like the landscape version. You can also select the portrait mode. Once you've done that, you get the instructions on how to use. You can choose from over 300 ultra-realistic AI avatars. Then, you need to write your script here. You can also use the AI script generator. Then you simply click on Export to export your video. Now, let us show you how to do it. Go to Create Video section. Select Landscape. You can customize your templates or pick up the template that you want from the ready library here. Now, I'm going to customize my avatar. Here are all the avatars that you can find. You can also mark them as your favorites. I really like one of these avatars, so I'm going to select this. I can also mark it as my favorite. Now, I don't really like the backgrounds, so I can remove the background here. I select a white background. So here you can select the white background. If you want to keep the subtitles, you can keep the subtitles here, but I don't like the subtitles, so I'm going to delete it from here. Now, you can simply write your script here in this section and start extracting or exporting your video. Hi, this is Elena from AI Dance Ethical Echoes. Today we are going to show you how to generate a video from text with AI avatar. Simple. I finished it now. Now you can go simply select the voice that you want. Here are loads of voices to choose from. Now you can simply go select the language, select the gender, select the type of scene. I like storytelling. Now you can play the voice. I really like this voice, so I'm going to mark it as my favorite and I can find it in the favorite sections. Now you select it from here and the voice is applied to the video. We can do a preview of this video and now it's completed. Now simply click on the Export tab to export your video. It will export the video within a few minutes. Once the video is exported, it'll show here. The video is now ready. I'll simply click on the video to play it, test it. Now you can simply download this video and it will be saved directly to your downloads folder. And the video export is completed.
Hi, this is Alina from AI Dance Ethical Echoes. Today, we are going to show you how to generate a video from text with AI avatar.
This way, you can create videos without the need of studios, actors, lights, fancy equipments, and it'll be created seamlessly without much of efforts. And that's it. You've just created your first AI video with Wondershare Virbo. Easy, right? Now, go out there and unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more awesome video creation tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.